Hey there. Is your Samsung soundbar display not working? If you found yourself squinting at your soundbar trying to guess what volume it's at or what mode it's in because the display isn't lighting up, you're in the right place. The display on your Samsung soundbar can be crucial for managing your audio settings effectively. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to fix your Samsung soundbar display not working so you can get everything back in top shape. Step 1. Check the power connection. First things first, let's start by examining the simplest aspect, the power connection. Your soundbar might not be displaying information because it isn't receiving power correctly. Ensure that the power cable is securely connected to both the soundbar and the power outlet. Try unplugging the soundbar, waiting for a few seconds, and then plugging it back in. This simple reset can sometimes do the trick. Step 2. Verify remote control and buttons. Sometimes the issue isn't with the display itself, but with controlling the soundbar. Check whether the remote control and the buttons on the soundbar are functioning correctly. You'll want to rule out any issues with them as they can affect how the display operates. Replace the remote control batteries if necessary, and ensure that the buttons are not stuck or unresponsive. Step 3. Update the soundbar firmware. Outdated firmware can cause technical glitches, including display problems. Head on over to Samsung's official website to check if there are any available firmware updates for your specific soundbar model. Follow the instructions provided by Samsung to install any updates. Keeping your device up to date helps in resolving known bugs and improving overall performance. Step 4. Inspect the display settings. Believe it or not, display settings on your soundbar could have been accidentally altered. Check the manual or on-screen menu if accessible to ensure that the display hasn't been dimmed or turned off. Adjust the brightness or reset the display settings to default if needed. This might resolve issues where the display isn't visible due to accidental setting changes. Step 5. Perform a factory reset. If you've tried the above steps and the problem persists, it might be time to perform a factory reset. This can resolve deeper software issues that are controlling the display functions. The method to do this can vary by model, so consult your user manual to find the specific reset steps. Remember that a factory reset will erase all personalized settings, so proceed with caution. Fixing a Samsung soundbar display not working can sometimes be as simple as checking the power connection or as involved as updating the firmware. We've explored a few methods to help diagnose and fix the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to restore functionality to your soundbar display and get back to enjoying your audio experience. If none of these methods work, it might be time to contact Samsung support or consider professional repair services. Always remember that routine maintenance and keeping your devices updated can prevent these issues in the future. Good luck and enjoy the enhanced audio clarity with your soundbar back in action.